Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. Today we are back with another tutorial. In this tutorial we'll tell you how to implement font family in Flutter. Before we start, please subscribe to my channel and press the bell icon. So let's start the tutorial. First of all, I would like to show you what we will get, what what will be the result after implementing this tutorial. So as you can see, there are 5 text. All the text labels have different font families. It goes light to bold, light, regular, semi-bold, medium and bold. So the font family name is Inter. You must have seen this font family quite often. So it is very easy. You will not find any issue, I think. So let me start with the basic step. So first of all, you have to add all your font family here. I have added the asset folder, then I created another folder inside it, and then added these font family TTF. After that, you will have to open this file YML, and then add this line. First of all, font, then family, which is enter, and then fonts. We are using weight because we have many font families, like font types, light, regular, semi bold. So we are using weight to differentiate between them, and we can easily use in the project later. So let me show you the code part, how we will use this. So first of all, we need to define the text theme, which is our first page which gets loaded. You can see this, there is this my app page, the screen, and here we have theme data. Here we have defined the inter family, which we defined here. The same goes here, and then we have text theme again. We have multiple headlines, we objects. We can define more like this: body text 1, body text 2. You can define these also. So uh, first of all, we are defining the bold one, which is the this this one. We have weight here 700, and same goes with same goes here, textile font weight. So we have defined headline 1 as the interbold type. So this is how we have defined other types also. Same goes with the weight, like 700, 600, 500, 400, 300, just like this. So this is how we define the textiles globally. And now time to use. It is very simple. Just declare a text, then the text, then define the theme, then you can define the text type, like the text theme type, headline 1, headline 2, headline 3, which you have already defined in your main class here. So this is how it gets displayed on your app. So I hope you must have learned a lot from this tutorial and how to implement the font family in Flutter. If you have any doubts, or if you have any issue, please let me know in the comment section. I will check it and I will try to fix it. So we'll meet very soon in the next tutorial. Thank you guys. Don't forget to subscribe my channel. Bye.